everyone, it's Michelle the Stamp Booker, and I'm here today with the Stamp It Like It's Hot hop that is always the first Saturday of the month, and I'm playing along with some of my friends, and we like to show you stamping techniques. So today I'm not actually going to make a layout. I didn't last month either, but I'm going to use this stamp set. It's brand new. It is from Keep It Simple Paper Crafts. And isn't it cute? It has a lot of different stamps that you could use definitely on a card, right? But I think I could also use these on layouts, like Your Possum, Best Friends Forever, Mutt's About You could be a title. What's Up Dog? It could be about a funny photo. So I have not actually heat embossed in a very long time. And in fact, my heat gun, I hadn't even used in a very long time, and I lent it to my husband for our bathroom remodel, and he used it to get some glue off the 2x4s after he had taken the sheetrock off. So it's pretty dirty, but it works, and it worked for him. So let me show you what I've done. I've kind of done some experimenting. I have used a white pigment ink, and I've also used my Versamark stamp pad, which you know is clear, all right, in case you've never done this before. Okay, and then here I labeled this V because I was experimenting which one did I want to use, the Versamark or the White Daisy to get white. And I had the white, some white embossing powder from Ranger. Okay, so first I forgot that you really need to use one of these anti-static pouches on your paper, and that will help with all of these little extras. And then when you do have a few, you just use a fine paintbrush to clean it up. So these turned out pretty good with Versamark. This is what they look like with using the white pigment ink, and I feel like the Versamark won. Like it's just a clearer image. So after that, I stopped using the white pigment ink, kept using the Versamark. And so then I took a few other stamps. I took the Mutt's About You, and look how cute that turned out, because now I remember to use my anti-static pouch. So this is Versamark ink with the white embossing powder, and I love that white on black. And I can see, like, if I put this on it, these are just scraps out of my black scraps, but if I use the bigger piece and then I could cut it with a metal die, a nice cute shape, that could be a great title. So then I went to my gold. My gold is also, it's called Princess Gold. It's from Ranger. And y'all, these are kind of not new, but they still worked. Okay, so this time I used gold. I Wolf You, and look at that. Didn't they not? They turned out wonderful, right? I'm so impressed. Okay, then I took this black embossing powder from Close to My Heart, and y'all, this is years old, and I wasn't sure if it would work, but it did. I took the What's Up Dog, and then I added some little paw prints. And y'all, I just love the shine to it and the rays. I'm like, why don't I do this more often, right? So now on camera, I am going to use Stay Positive. It's a brand new stamp. I always just rub it with my fingers. Okay, let me see if I can make it a little closer. All right, maybe a little bit more. Move this up. And see, I've pulled out other scraps here. Okay. Stamp it in there. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot this again. This makes all the difference in the world, people. All the difference. And when I'm not, I usually use it to take a sticker, the sticky off of stickers. If I don't want to put it on wax paper. Stay positive. Okay, now I've learned not to press it too hard, because then that kind of squishes the letters a little bit. Okay, I'm using coffee filters. And let's see, let me sit. Let me get my black. So then I'm just gonna take it, whoops, and on there, then tap it off. Okay, so there's a few little pieces black, but not as many if I had not used that. So then I always put the lid back on, because that heat tool is going to blow. It's not like a blow dryer, but it will blow. So, and then I move this out of the way if I'm not ready to pour it back into the container. I move it. Okay, then it's important to always use like tweezers so that you don't burn yourself. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on, and it's important to let it warm up a little bit. Mine is already pretty warm. I'm going to start on the back. I'm going to keep that up. Go back and forth. Ooh, that got a little close to my finger. Learn from my mistakes. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. Oops. Okay. And watch it melt. Oh, it's so exciting. And you'll be able to tell when it's all melted. Okay. Hopefully y'all could see that. It seems a little blurry. Check that out. So I've enjoyed playing with these for sure. And I want to show you something else that I do not have time for today, but maybe another day. I have this, here, let me zoom out. Whoop. Okay, I have this 6x6 stamp called Random Hearts from Keep It Simple, and I'll list these stamp sets down below. But it's random, and it would be really cool to stamp it. Use your Misty, since who has the acrylic block this big, right? Use your Misty, stamp it in Versamark, and then, so these are really the only 3 colors I have right now. I may have to get some other colors, but I'll probably stamp it in, well, on black you could stamp it and use the white. That would be really cool, white hearts, or the gold. There's also clear. I have clear somewhere. The clear would be cool too. But what I was going to say is you stamp it, heat emboss it, and then you take your Distress Oxide inks and your blending tools, and then you would blend, and then you'd wipe off, because the embossing would resist the ink, so you could get a really cool background, maybe an ombre effect, maybe all one color. But I'm excited to play with that. I just don't have time today. I'm going out of town in a couple of days. I'm trying to get ready. We're gonna go see my son at college, and we're gonna be gone for about half a week, so trying to get everything ready, and I want to get this video up. It will go live while I'm gone. So like I said, I will link down below these 2 stamps. I think they're super cute. This one actually has metal dies that is called Build a Dog House, and it has metal dies, and you can build a dog house, a cat house. a birdhouse. Super, super cute. But thank you for stopping by, and please check out the links down below. All my friends playing along. We do this every month, and this is the brainchild of Brianna Spores, and she heads this all up, and I appreciate all of her work with this and that she is willing to coordinate it. So have a great day. Bye-bye.